महाकाय
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव
सर्वकार्येषु
सर्वकार्येषु
सर्वदा
सर्वदा
गजाननम्
गजाननं
भूतगणाधि
भूतगणादि
सेवितं
सेवितं
कपित्थजम्बो
कपित्थजम्बो
फलसार
फलसार
भक्षितम्
भक्षितम्
उमासुतम्
उमासुतं
शोकविनाश
शोकविनाश
कारणम्
कारणम्
नमामि विघ्नेश्वर
नमामि विघ्नेश्वर
पादपङ्कजम्
पादपङ्कजम्
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यम्
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं
वरदे
वरदे
कामरूपिणी
कामरूपिणी
विद्यारम्भम्
विद्यारम्भं
करिष्यामि
करिष्यामि
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे
सिद्धिर्भवतु मे
सदा
सदा
तापकाय च धर्मस्य
स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य
सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणी
सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणी
अवतारवरिष्ठाय
अवतारवरिष्ठाय
रामकृष्णाय ते नमः
रामकृष्णाय ते नमः
What is the meaning of this verse?
Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was the most recent avatar who lived among the normal people to preach about Vishnu.
Or Bhaj Govindam Bhaj Govindam
Bhaj Govindam Bhaj Govindam
Govindam Bhaj Mudhamate
Govindam Bhaj Mudamate.
What is the meaning of this phrase?
that whenever we have a problem or before we have a problem, we can call out this,
Is
or
it
when
we
we are
can?
silent,
Is it we can?
we should,
Ah.
yeah, we should call out.
Moodhamate means what? What is the meaning of moodhamate?
Pushing away,
Huh?
pushing away.
No. Moodha is the person who is insane.
Okay,
A little bit less brilliant.
okay,
Moodhamate. That is we
okay.
common people. In short, we who, I mean, throughout entire verse keeps on talking about us only. Bhajagovindam. Before this happens, Bhajagovindam. Before this happens, Bhajagovindam. Before anything, see to it that you are calling the God. That's
Okay.
it. So, Samprapte Samnihite Kale.
सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
संप्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
सम्प्राप्ते सन्निहिते काले
नहि नहि रक्षते दुःखं करणे
नहि रक्षति दुःखं करणे
नहि नहि रक्षते दुःखं करणे
नहि रक्षति दुःखं करणे.
What is the meaning of this verse?
That
Samprapte sannihite kale means
when we are old and we look back at the times when we have faced problems, and we normally start complaining that God did not come save us or give us a solution, and God replies with, "You did not. I did not come because you did not call out to me." So only unless we call to out to God, He will He come to save us.
very good. मोडजनी धरातम तृष्णा
मूढजहि धनागमतृष्णाम्
मोडजहि धनादम तृष्णा
मूढजहि धनागमतृष्णा
कृष्ण कुरु सद्बुद्धिं मनसि वितृष्णा
कुरु सद्बुद्धिं मनसि वितृष्णाम्
यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपातम्
यल्लभसे निजकर्मोपातम्
यल्लभसे निज कर्मोपातम्
यल्लभसे निजकर्मोपातम्
वित्तं तेन विनोदयचेतम्
विट्टं तेन विनोदयचेतम्
वित्तं तेन विनोदयचेतम्
विट्टं तेन विनोदयचेतम्.
What is the meaning of this verse?
That an insane person only feels that money is everything and that shapes our life. But what actually shapes our life is the karma we do, what present or past karma is what ranks us worthy of either good things or bad things that we come across in our lives.
All right, good. यावद्वीतोपार्जनसक्तः
यावद्वीतोपार्जनशक्तः
तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः
तावन्निज परिवारो रक्तः
यावद्वीतो जनसक्तः
यावद्वीतोपार्जनशक्तः
तावन् निज परिवारो रक्तः
तावन्निज परिवारो रक्तः
पश्चात् जीवति झरदेहे
पश्चाज्जीवति जर्जरदेहे
पश्चात् जीवति झरदेहे
पश्चाज्जीवति जर्जरदेहे
वार्ता कोऽपि न पृच्छति
वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेः
वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति
वार्तां कोऽपि न पृच्छति गेः
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते.
What does this phrase mean?
That a person has respect only until he or she earns. The moment he or she becomes old, their own body refuses to listen to them. They start shivering, and at that point, it is very sad, disheartening to see that their own children are disowning them, not listening to them, and letting them go slowly, not giving them the respect or the care they require or deserve.
Alright. Alright. Varta kopi na prichati gehe means
Uh, why are the Kesar there? It is not, they're not listening. The own body also refuses to listen.
uh, they don't even bother to ask. Vartam kopi na prichati. Na prichati. They don't ask. Vartam kopi na prichati gehe. Alright. And even your own body doesn't listen to you once you start becoming old. Alright. मा गुरुधन धन यौवन गर्वम्
मा कुरु धन जन यौवन
मा गुरुधन धन
मा कुरु धन जन
यौवन
यौवन गर्वम्
गर्वम् हरति निमेषा काल सर्वम्
हरति निमेषात् काल सर्वम्
मा गुरुधन धन यौवन गर्वम्
मा कुरु धन जन यौवन गर्वम्
हरति निमेषा काल सर्वम्
हरति निमेषात् काल सर्वम्
माया मयमिदम् अखिलं हित्वा
मायामयमिदम् अखिलं मित्वा
अखिलं हित्वा
मायामयमिदम् अखिलं मित्वा
ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविश वेदित्वा
ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविश विदित्वा
ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविश वेदित्वा
ब्रह्मपदं त्वं प्रविश विदित्वा
भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दम्
भज गोविन्दं नमस्ते। भज गोविन्दं भज गोविन्दं
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते.
What is the meaning of this verse? Ma guru dana danayo anagavam.
That everybody are proud, their pride because of the money they have and all the wealth they have achieved, they have got in their life, but it can be destroyed in a second because all of it is like Maya and can be, 1 second we feel we have it, but the other second we never know when it may go away from us.
Alright. So when are we? Is he giving any exact period? Like we are proud only during this period. Any period is there? Any particular time of our life?
When we are young,
When you are young, ma guru dhana dhana yavana garvam. You will be. It has two interpretations. It will be you are wealthy. You are proud of your wealth and your beauty.
okay.
It also means that way. You are proud of your wealth when you are young. Once you grow old, you know what is life. Once you are young, you are least bothered about what is life, what is
Yeah.
money. No, nothing actually matters to you. You will cry when you are hungry. When you are satisfied, you sleep. That's it. So not much of the botheration in both of the time. It's only when you are in between this time you bother about many things. Alright. पुनरपि जननम्
पुनरपि जननम्
पुनरपि जननम् पुनरपि मरणम्
पुनरपि जननम् पुनरपि मरणम्
पुनरपि जननम् पुनरपि मरणम्
पुनरपि जननम् पुनरपि मरणम्
पुनरपि जनने जगदे शयनम्
पुनरपि जननी जठरे
पुनरपि जननी
पुनरपि जननी
जगदे
जठरे
शयनम्
पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम्.
Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi Jananam means the baby who's there in the womb of the mother. All of us, whoever is born out of the mother, we keep on saying that it is this vicious cycle of birth and death is very painful. The baby inside the body of the mother, it will keep on kicking, no? All the time it will keep on kicking because insufficient space. When it is very small, the space was enough. So Matsya Avadaram, no? It was very small. Then the glass of water also, by the evening, the ocean of water also was not enough for him. The same way, the womb which was enough for you during one period, it becomes insufficient for you, and you keep on kicking your mother that I want to come out this world. So Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Janani, Jagade Sayanam, the child who's there, all the creature, whoever is there inside the womb of the mother, it may mean anything. A dog, puppy, or cat, I mean, whoever is there inside the mother womb, all the babies would say this. Punarapi Maranam, Punarapi. Again I have to take the birth, again I have to die. Again I have to take the birth, again I have to die. I want to stop this vicious circle of taking birth and death. Punarapi Janani Jagade Sayanam. Janani na Amma. I'm tired of staying inside the mother's womb, so I want to stop this vicious circle. Punarapi Janani Jagade Sayanam. Iha Sansara Bahu Dusthara. No, it is only Rakshasas who will keep on asking the boons. I don't want to die. I want to live forever, like sun, moon, and stars. And Brahma would say, no, 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 that is not possible. You give something else, and then he will ask for something which is very weird. I should not die when sun is not there. I should not die when moon is not there, and God has to think about something
Loopholes.
like Narasimha Avadaram. So, uh, the but as human beings, we say that there is nothing in this world. Iha samsara, only dukkham is there. Bahu dustara, there is no happiness. It's only sadness. Whatever is there, you earn, you're not happy. You don't earn, you're not happy. There is nothing called as happiness in this world. So iha samsara, bahu dustara, and that is not a human being who's living on earth who's saying. The baby who's there inside the womb, that too Prahlada, especially he's talking about Prahlada. Um, no, we have not seen any devotee such a strong devotion towards God, such a vast belief. I don't know what we would have done. No, we have never seen kashtam.
Yeah.
We say sorrows everywhere, but we have not seen. Our parents would rather say, go and give your namaskaram banne, Swami namaskaram banne, topukarnam koda, give one shloka to God. Here, Prahlada's father was different. He would say, don't say that bad word. That's a bad word. Don't give the name of that God, that person. He's not God. I am more strong than him. So, and what all he does. No? The child was locked inside the room with rats, full of rats, full of snake. He was pushed from the hill. He was pushed into water. He was given food
Poisonous.
which was poisoned. He was kept empty stomach. He was kept hungry for so many days. He just had a staunch belief that may whatever happen, God will come to save me. That belief is there in us is a question. Is it
Yeah.
there in us? So that Prahlad, who's and the reason why Prahlad was having so staunch belief is Narada himself came when he was there in Gomadmata. When a mother is pregnant, we say that always you should speak only good things. So even if the mother was sleeping, getting tired, the baby inside her womb had listened to all the stories which Narada said. So even staying in Kali Yuga, Narada told him entire 21 avatars of Krishna being in womb. So
Okay.
because of which he had that even before the birth of God, it was Satya Yuga, and no, not even a single avatara of God has yet happened. Brahma had just created 10 people who were boys, 9 women for them. Then you had Kashyapa Munivar, the second generation. Kashyapa Munivar, his children were this Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyakshan. That is just the third generation. So lakhs of years had gone, but
Yeah.
generation wise, if you see, it's only the third generation. So
Yeah.
you cannot actually say that one is last previous karmas, karmic rays and all actually doesn't get supplied to Prahalada. So being in that womb, Prahalada says that Iha sausara bahu dustara. Only dukkham is there. So kripaya pale. Before that sorrows come and hit you. Kripaya bare pahe murare. So before any sorrows comes, you have to pahi murare. Pahi, seek the blessings of murare, that is Krishna. Since uh, Shankara Bhagavad Pada who has written that, that's just the love between Lord Shiva and Lord Krishna, I would say. I always say this. Both of them love each other so much, uncomparison, unconditional, that they would, we keep on fighting, no? We would
Yeah.
say, yeah, we would say Shiva was the first, some would say Krishna was the first, but in between them, they never had that fight at all. Shiva loves Krishna, Krishna loves him as he is. He would never say Shankar Chakran Vachindrakan or he is Gangadharan or he has snake. He would rather, even when you have one Tilana called as Kali Nardhanam Tilana, where he dances like Shiva and Shiva himself comes to
Yeah.
see where how he is dancing, no? Like the principal of the college, who is the inventor of that item, he himself has come to see, wow, how is my girlfriend watching or how is my boyfriend dancing this dance, and full justice to that song, no comparison, not even a single person. You will see that Krishna even tried to compete with Shiva. He said that, okay, you are there. I am not even touching any aspect of your life, but I will be very equivalent to you. So even he has Shanga Chakram, even Shiva has Shanga Chakram, even he has serpent, even Shiva has serpent. So you actually cannot distinguish between both of them. So that is a kind of love which we should have towards goddess Bhajagovindam. This was all about. So what did you learn today?
That birth and death is a cycle, and this stanza talks voices out the feelings of Prahalad, and in the womb he feels that the world is full of sorrows, and he says, before these sorrows come and reach you, we have to seek worship of God and be happy. Learn to be happy.
All. You have to seek the worship. All. Punarapi jananam.
पुनरपि जननम्
पुनरपि जननम. पुनरपि मरणम.
पुनरपि जननम् पुनरपि मरणम्
पुनरपि जनने जगदशयनम्.
पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम्
इह संसार
इह संसार
बहुदोस्तार
बहुदुस्तरे
इह संसार
इह संसारे
बहुदोस्तार
बहुदुस्तरे
कृपया पारे
कृपया पारे
पाहे मुरारे
पाहि मुरारे
कृपया पारे पाहे मुरारे
कृपया पारे
पारे पारे
कृपया पारे
पाहे
मुरारे
मुरारे
पाहि मुरारे
भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम
भज गोविन्दम् भज गोविन्दम्
गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते
ये भज गोविन्दम् भज गोविन्दम्
मूढमते भज गोविन्दम् भज गोविन्दम्
गोविन्दं भज मूढमते